How to check your Windows version in your PC or laptop. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can check your Windows specification or Windows version in a laptop or PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is just open up your settings. After you open up your settings, head over to the system option right here on the left hand side. After you do that, scroll down all the way and there you'll find the About section. Now before we move on with this, if you guys are new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let's continue. After you see the About section, tap on it, and after you open it up, simply scroll down till you find Windows specification. Right there, you should see the version for your Windows and its edition, and when it was installed on, and also your OS build. And that is how you can see your Windows version on your laptop or PC. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye.